Morning, everyone. The three most common words you've always heard since the day you were born. Three common words. I love you. Now, if you talk to somebody and you say these three words, how do you say these three words? I love you. I love you. I love you, and so on. However, in English translation, English grammar, which is the rules of words and phrases, is called grammar. If we change that slightly, let's see what happens when we say the same three words. If I put a comma there, I love you. You see how it's changed? The emotion has changed, the expression has changed, even the meaning has changed. Also, if I take that comma and put it over here, I love you. You see how it's changed slightly more? You see? That's what it means by the importance of punctuation. That's why it's so important. When you write a phrase, the reader is reading this and they have to know exactly what you mean. You are the author. So, I love you. A slight pause after love. As I mentioned before, if I put a comma here, I love you. You see what I mean? That's why it's so important in punctuation for English. It's very, very important. Again, if we started off like this, and you're talking to somebody, using your tone of voice, your volume, your posture, you might say, I love you. I love you. I love you. You see what I mean? But if somebody's reading exactly what you wrote, you have to use punctuation. As I mentioned earlier, one method, a comma. I love you. Take away this comma, replace it over here. I love you. That slight hesitation means all kinds of differences. Always remember that. So verbally, when I'm talking to somebody, you use your tone of voice, your posture, expression in your voice, and your face. I love you. I love you. You see what I mean? That's the importance of punctuation learning English. Always remember that. The written word is not always the same as the verbal expression. A perfect example, the three most common words you've always heard since the day you were born. I love you. Your girlfriend, your boyfriend, I love you. You see what I mean? It's very important to understand this. The written word is not always the same as the vocal context of the same three words. A perfect example. Always remember that. Till next time, bye-bye.